take a ride with us on the Astro Orbiter at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Don't forget to subscribe! The Astro Orbiter can be found in the Tomorrowland section of the Magic Kingdom. It is located above the Lunching Pad restaurant and next to the entrance of the Tomorrowland PeopleMover. There are 12 two-passenger rockets that fly more than 60 feet above the ground. You can board the rockets by taking an elevator to the launch area. As you can see, there was virtually no line at the time of our visit. So, what do you say we go for a ride? The Astro Orbiter is a great ride for kids of all ages, and there are no height restrictions. Due to the limited capacity of the Astro Orbiter, the lines get long quickly, so if you're not getting a fast pass, then you should ride early in the morning at the park opening.
Thanks for watching! Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our Endless Summer channel.